Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the VSync setting in BigWalk. Let's begin by opening settings. In here, select graphics. In this tab, look for VSync. Select either half, on or off. If turned on or turned to half, this will synchronize your frames per second to your monitor's refresh rate. What does it actually mean? Well, if you have 60 Hz monitor, when turned on, this will sync you to 60 frames per second constant. So, why does it even exist? It exists to prevent screen tearing. If you don't experience any screen tearing with it disabled, simply don't enable it. If you experience some, maybe turn it to half or to on. Note, as you can see, those are exclusive settings. You can either set your frame rate limit or you can enable VSync. Once you are done here, press the back button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.